Students, today we are going to learn about balance sheet, meaning and its preparation. In last part, we learned the preparation of profit and loss account. Today we are going to solve one problem relating to the balance sheet. Look at the question. From the following balances of Niruban, prepare balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. I drawn the format of balance sheet. Balance sheet of Mr. Niruban as on, very important. For balance sheet we have to write as on. For profit and loss account we have to write for the year ended. Okay. As on 31st December 2017, liability, assets. Here we have to write financial obligation to outsider. Then here we have to write the properties. Under liability side we have to draw the basic format, that is capital plus net profit, capital plus net profit minus drawings minus income tax. This is the basic format we have to draw. Okay, now look at the question. The first item is plant and machinery. It is an asset. It should be recorded on the asset side. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, how much? 8 lakh rupees. Next we have land and building, that is also asset. Land and buildings, value 6 lakh. Next furniture. Next furniture 1,50,000. Next we have cash in hand. It is an asset. Cash in hand is a asset, 20,000. Next we have bank overdraft. It is a liability payable to the banker. Bank overdraft, it is a liability, value 1,80,000. Next debtor. We have debtor and creditor. Debtor and creditor. Debtor and creditor. So the item which is recorded under debit called debtor. The item which is recorded under credit called creditor. So debtor appears in the asset side. Debtor appears in the asset side, 3,20,000. Creditor appears in the liability side, 2,40,000. Next, bills receivable and bills payable. Bills receivable is an asset. Bills receivable is an asset, 1 lakh. Bills payable is a liability, 60,000. Next we have closing stock. It is an asset. Closing stock, it is an asset, 4 lakh. Next investment, short term, it is an asset. Investment, short term, it is an asset. Short term is an asset. How much? 80,000. Next capital. How much? 15 lakh. Capital, 15 lakh. Then drawing. Drawing should be deducted from the capital. Next we have net profit. Net profit should be added with the capital. 21,20,000. So 21,20,000 minus 1,30,000 equal to 19,90,000. Our balance sheet total 24,70,000. It should agree, then only our problem is correct. Students, this is the preparation of balance sheet. Now I am going to teach you what is balance sheet. Balance sheet is not an account. It is a statement. In account we have debit side and credit side. Then in debit side we should start with to, credit side we should start with by. But in balance sheet it is not an account, it is a statement, so we should not write to and by. Balance sheet, left hand side liabilities are recorded. Liability means financial obligation payable to outsider. Right hand side assets are recorded. Asset means properties of the business. It should agree. It should agree. Assets and liability should be equal. Then only the answer is correct. The balance sheet is prepared under the equation or accounting equation, that is assets equal to capital plus liability under double entry system. The balance sheet liability and assets, the liability and assets of this year carry forward to next year are recorded as opening entry. Students, once again I am repeating, the assets and liabilities of this year carry forward to next year as opening balances, and that items are to be recorded as opening entry. So the assets and liabilities of the previous year are to be carried forward to the subsequent year as opening balances to be recorded as opening entry. Now I am going to teach you how assets and liabilities are recorded in the balance sheet. The appearance of assets and liability in the balance sheet called marshalling of assets and liability. Yes, now I am going to teach you marshalling of assets and liabilities. Marshalling of assets and liabilities in balance sheet. What is marshalling of assets and liability? Marshalling means appearance of assets and liability in the balance sheet. The marshalling of assets and liability in balance sheet, there are two types. One is in order of liquidity. In order of liquidity. Another one is in order of permanence. Students, the assets and liability are to be recorded on the basis of liquidity or on the basis of permanence. What is the difference? What is the difference? Very simple. A balance sheet, liability side we have, asset side we have. In case of in order of liquidity, first current assets, then fixed assets are recorded. First current assets, then fixed assets are recorded. Students, in order of liquidity, balance sheet asset side, first current assets are recorded, then fixed assets are recorded. Why, sir? First liquid assets are recorded, then least liquid assets are recorded. Likewise, liability side, first current liabilities are recorded, then long-term liabilities are recorded. First, we are recording the payable within a year, then payable after the year to be recorded. Students, listen. In order of liquidity, on the asset side, first liquid assets, then least liquid assets. Liability side, current liability and long-term liability. That is in order of liquidity. Here, this method adopted by sole trading concern. This method adopted by sole trading concern final accounts. So here we prepared balance sheet in order of liquidity. First I recorded current asset, then I recorded fixed assets. So current asset are cash, bank, debtor, bills receivable, closing stock, investment short term. Fixed assets are plant and machinery, land and building, furniture. Then go to the liability. First I recorded current liability, payable within a year. Then I recorded long term liabilities. This we called preparation of balance sheet in order of liquidity. Then we are going to learn about in order of permanence. Here, when we prepare balance sheet, first in the asset side we'll record fixed asset, then we'll record current assets. Here, asset side first least liquid asset, then liquid asset. Just we reversing the in order of liquidity. First we are recording fixed asset, then current asset. In liability side, first long term liability, then current liability. So if we reverse the balance sheet under in order of liquidity, we'll get in order of permanence. So in order of liquidity followed by sole trading concern, in order of permanency followed by companies. Students, we learned about what is balance sheet, preparation of balance sheet, then the appearance of assets and liability in the balance sheet that we called as marshalling of assets and liability. Then we have one more concept called drafting of balance sheet. Methods of drafting of balance sheet. We can draw balance sheet in two types. One is horizontal type, another one is vertical type. This is horizontal type followed by sole trading concern. The vertical balance sheet prepared by the company that we'll learn later. Till then, bye and thank you.